membro po ng impeachment court, maging membro ng Senado si Congressman Marcoleta. No? So, magpapanibago po yung membro po ng impeachment court. So, anong gagawin po dyan? Mag-a-approve na naman ng panibagong rules of impeachment. Diba? Papanibago ng rules of impeachment. So, i-approve nila yung rules of impeachment. Magpapanibago na naman na magpadala ng summon kay Vice President Inday Sara itong bagong impeachment court. But, ito ang tanong. Can the new Senate of the Philippines assume jurisdiction over an impeachment case that was referred by the old House of Representatives? When I already said a while ago, binanggit ko na wala na yun eh. So, since there is no more impeachment case that is pending, when the Congress of the Philippines adjourned on June 30, there is nothing to be heard by the new Senate as an impeachment court because there is no more impeachment case against VP Sara after June 30. Maliwanag po yan. Yan ang aking legal opinion. So whatever action that the new Senate will do after June 30, and that would be by 4th Monday of July, if they are going to keep on saying that they can acquire jurisdiction and they will recognize this impeachment case that was referred on February 5 by the outgoing Congress or fast forward by the old Congress, would then be, as far as I am concerned, an act with grave abuse of discretion amounting to lack of jurisdiction. Yun po yung aking opinion dyan. So, pwede tayong magsampa ng petition against the House of Representatives for trying to prosecute a non-existing impeachment case and against the Senate of the Philippines for trying to acquire jurisdiction and to hear a non-existing impeachment case. Nakahanda na po yung aking petition po dyan, mga minamahal na kababayan, bilang isang mamamayang Pilipino, bilang isang taxpayer. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, nung tayo nangangampanya, nananahimik na po ako bilang isang ordinaryong abogadong probinsyano at bilang isang ordinaryong magsasaka na lamang po. Pero dahil po sa tiwalang ibinigay po sa akin ni Tatay Digong nung ako po ay kanyang nakumbinsing tumakbo sa pagkasenador at nakita ko mas lumawak yung aking pananaw at nakita ko yung malalang problema sa politika dito sa ating bansa. Pinangako ko sa aking sarili, babalik po ako bilang isang abogado. Iko-comply ko po lahat ng kinakailangan kong i-comply para makabalik po ako bilang isang practicing lawyer ulit dito po sa ating bansa.